That's alright. That's a good sign. Just be patient. That's fine.
What?
That's what you're there for.
Maybe that's what I needed.
Brodie, it's just a baby and it's frightened and it's obviously feeling comfortable on you, so just give it a minute. Have you ever heard of imprinting?
What?
Have you ever heard of imprinting?
No.
It's something birds do. I think it thinks you're its mum.
What is it?
I think it thinks you're its mum.
Why are you filming me?
No, I'm filming the bird. Brodie, just leave it. You're going to hurt it. Eh?
You don't want it on me.
Why? Just...
You little pervert.
The bird is not being a pervert.
Yeah, a bit.
Your face is in the picture.
Where's the bird?
It's still on your brother.
Why?
It's just, it thinks it's got a new mummy. Brodie, that is jaggy. Do not do that.
Why would that make it dry?
Put the box down. Put the box down. Facing upright. You should be able to just take the bird and put it in if...
I'm burning this off of...
I think you should just give it a bit longer and it'll fly away.
I don't think so. How did he get onto his leg?
It flew on. Well, it kind of jumped on. It's just a bairn.
It's gonna pinch him.
I'm just worried it flies back into the window. Brodie, walk away from the window. Or maybe not. It might just fly.
No, it'll fall off.
Oh! It's away.
It lives in our tree.
Well, that's good.